My name is Rose,
Our first YouTube vlog together.
On behalf of Café
Adventures by Sky.
I'd like to warmly welcome
And
you
this
on
is
board
Ian. This is my current boyfriend.
Oh yeah?
Me and my current boyfriend are headed to Thailand for 2 weeks. We have made it to Bangkok. Day 1.
Welcome to Patong, Phuket.
First ride of the trip, and we got a Tuk Tuk.
We're on our first Tuk Tuk. Welcome to Adventures of Sky.
Keep saying it wrong.
So beautiful.
First stop of our coffee mukbang, Lam Sai Cup Coffee.
What'd you get, babe?
Latte coconut.
How's it taste?
10 out of 10. What did you get?
I got the caramel macchiato.
What do you rate it?
Like 4. Nothing compared
Very
to Blend Cup though. No protein
True.
in it.
No collagen?
Cheers.
We're at a blanket and a pillow cafe. Got some shots. Why not?
10 a.m.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feel, I'm happy again.
You look beautiful.
Come with us to become Thai royalty for the day. Going to do a Thai traditional costume photo shoot at Wat Chalong Temple with I Am Sand Studio.
Never been more excited in my life. How you feeling? Do you feel bonita? I feel bonita.
First step, got the hair and makeup done. Now we're gonna go get the outfits on. Wow, my Thai prince.
So beautiful.
Jewelry time, going with the gold. Sawatika.
Swadika.
Now we are headed to Wat Chalong Temple. Hello, Thailand!
It's raining a lot.
We still got our umbrella. Photo shoots and rain or shine.
Yup.
Sorry, I cannot hear you. I'm kinda busy.
looks so pretty, baby.
You ready to go party?
Of course, babe.
You ready to go get lit?
Mm-hmm.
Tonight we're doing dinner in the sky. 150 feet in the air.
We wish you a pleasant flight. Welcome on Dinner in the Sky.
Boyfriend's too scared. We're at Ma Du Bua Café, the famous Lilypad.
Means
True.
come see the lily pads in Thai.
Off to Plain Beach, my cow beach. Made it to Plain Beach. Now we just wait for the planes to come.
Stunning.
Pad Thai in Thailand. First bite. So good.
Got some soft shell crab here.
Bathtub time.
This is our beautiful view.
How do you like Rock Swing Beach?
Oh, I loved it. My favorite rock swing beach I've ever been to. There's the big Buddha.
Look.
So pretty, baby. You look beautiful.
At the Sunday night market in Phuket town, got a chocolate banana. First bite.
Get it in there.
Mmm.
You look so beautiful.
So good.